Hi Espers! Welcome to another gadget review by yours truly, JCFE. And may pinadala na naman ang Plextone sa atin for us to extensively review. This is the xMowi T2 True Wireless Earphones and baka magtaka kayo, akala ko ba Sir JCFE? Plextone yan. This is actually a sub-brand of Plextone, both of which are original and what I always link sa my description box or in the comment section are 100% legitimate. I only review from what their team, both Plextone and xMowi, sends to me. Brutally honest rin lahat ng sasabihin ko dito para you know what you are getting for the price. Speaking of price, magkano nga ba to? This costs 629 pesos for 4 different colors, pink, white, green, and purple. What you are seeing na ina-unbox ko right now is the white variant. 5-star siya sa Shopee with 400 plus reviews pero kahalo kasi niyan yung pangalawa kong review on my YouTube channel which is yung G5 Bluetooth headphones. And now, what does the package include ba? Syempre kasama yung box, a USB-A to Type-C cable which I have to say is good for the price kasi kung take 600 na earphones yan, madalas micro USB pa ang laman yan from other brands. A warranty certificate card, the charging case, and of course, the pair of Bluetooth earphones. Before we explore the earphones features, need muna natin tanggalin yung blue insulating stickers just like what you do when you've bought a new watch. This actually resembles one of Apple's products which I actually don't mind since doon naman pinapattern ng other companies yung products nila. If you've noticed as well, we have a non-tactile button on the side of both the earpiece which is another good thing para hindi nyo natutulak paloob pa yung earphones when adjusting anything. Volume, next or previous music, and so on. You will also notice the astronaut design sa gitna niya and dun lang siguro ma-off yung iba sa inyo. And it actually would be better kung wala yun. I don't think they also have a silicone sleeve for this and I tried removing the charging case from the plastic exterior pero baka masira ko pa to. You also have a letter X on the plastic case tab to represent the X in xMowi. We will now be showcasing two tests with these earphones using an Android device and an Apple one. I am using a 2018 Pocophone F1 as my Android device while an iPad mini Gen 4 for the Apple device. Pairing is quite fast on these true wireless earphones once you've connected to it with your device. Just take one of the earpiece out of the case and it will automatically pair with the other one. Mapapansin niyo yung upper LED on the first earpiece that you take out will blink in alternating blue and red. Take the other one out and the upper LED on that should blink for a while then have no light. To avoid confusion nga pala Espers, try to rename your devices by following what I am currently showing in the demo. If it's the first time, turn the Bluetooth on your device and then go search for BT. Your other devices kasi might have the default name of BT rin as well, just like my G5 headphones, kaya naman I strongly recommend renaming your devices. So, what features does our TWS have ba? First is yung pause, play, or hang up for calls. Press the side button of the left or right earpiece once. To go naman to the previous music, press right side button twice and then to go to the next music, press the left side button twice naman. Again, previous is right, next is left. Unfortunately for our Android phone, the third feature did not work. Volume up sana with the right side button, press nyo yan 3 times naman, and then for volume down, press the left side button 3 times. What I usually heard on my Android phone was audio is at full volume kahit anong try ang gawin ko. The fourth feature, which is the game mode, will get back to later since wala kasi akong games on my Android phone. I would guess that this feature is to reduce latency para naman almost real time na yung maririnig yung alerts like footsteps in games or when you activate skills or auto attack. In sync na yung game audio with what you are going to hear. Last test is for calling Siri or Google Assistant. Just press any button for 1.5 seconds. Ide-demo ko ulit sila one by one but using the iPad mini naman. To record the audio on the earpiece habang activated yung game mode and sinupress ko na lang ng malala yung background noise. Here is the demo while I was playing League of Legends Wild Rift. To power any of the earpiece down nga pala, press the corresponding button na lang on the side for 5 seconds. If you experience any problem, don't hesitate to contact them first as they have a 1-year warranty service. Bago kayo mag-review, please test it extensively first like yung charging niya kung gumagana. With my experience from various earphones, try not to charge yung mga ganito with a fast charging cable. If wala kayong ganun na ordinary, use the one that comes out of the package. Sure na safe yan. Before we end our review, here is the sound test of the xMowi T2 True Wireless Earphones. Hi Espers, this is the sound test for the xMowi T2 True Wireless Earphones. Test mic test, test mic test. This is the sample recording for when I am not recording through the earphones or the TWS.
And now Espers, gamit ko na yung earphones. The noise na naririnig nyo kanina is the fan of the aircon. It's just at the back of the stand and surprisingly, the noise cancellation is good as I am speaking to you now. And I'll actually take this moment to ask you, Espers, kamusta? Honestly, this TWS is packed with features. Kahit na di tactile yung buttons, my iOS device received them well. You have the play, pause, or hang up with one click, previews and next music, volume up and down, and lastly, gaming mode. Sequential yan to the number of taps hanggang 4. Let me know what you think sa my comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and syempre subscribe. Thank you ulit sa tiwala, Plextone, and sana mas marami pa kayong gamers na mapasaya.